Barrister Sarwar Hossain, almost the same type of question. Unfortunately, Bangladesh is included in this 75 countries which have been barred from trying to attain migration status in the United States. As a senior politician, this of course draws a crossroads between the Bangladeshi administration currently, any future coming administrations in the coming days, as well as the relationship between the United States. What is your take? The United States is going through a very difficult time. We've seen the ICE shooting of Renee Good, and ever since then protests have been rocking US states as well. So I want to understand your view between Bangladesh and United States of America.
Thank you again. Before coming to your question, I like to put some points on the last points, like the Iranian tension, Iran-USA tension. Look, there is international norms and law that no country will intervene in the internal affairs of other country.
Of course.
So Iran was claiming that this is USA-sponsored movements. That gets substantive belief that when Trump says that take over the institutions. So now, in this situation, when another head of a state is directly intervening to the internal affairs, internal movements of another country, so that that provide another strength to control that movement. So that America has done, that directly intervening in the affairs of Iran, what they have done with Venezuela and many other countries. Now, Iran and USA has the nuclear issue, we know, and USA bombed their nuclear site
just last summer.
Last summer. So this tension will continue as long I believe Trump is there in the power. Now coming to your this visa status, where Bangladesh also included, I think this is their policy change, and as America can change any policy basing on their this so-called America will make the America great again. So basing on that, they might go into the isolation. America once upon a time followed the policy of isolation. So maybe that they are going back to that policy of isolation. It is up to the other country whether they want to immigrate or not. It is not only the America where you can immigrate. There are many countries where you can immigrate.
Of course.
So it is up to the Bangladeshi people. I think people of Bangladesh should decide why they should always prefer America. There are many other countries to immigrate. So I don't think that this policy will continue. This policy will sustain. Maybe that next regime will relax this policy, because ultimately they will need the people.
They will need to depend on the lives of immigrants. There are a lot of jobs in America
so
that
this policy,
immigrants
and that's
are doing.
why Trump has a habit of lying. In his last regime, there is a research, he lied more than 5,555 times. It is available in the Google. And coming power to this time, in his first speech, he lied 11 times. And he has a habit, this is an idiosyncrasy, changing his statements and policy very quickly. Where he has changed, he said in his earlier regime that there will be a wall between Mexico and USA.
Yes.
And the money will be provided by Mexico. He couldn't make it. He cannot. Now he has forgotten that issue, that wall issue. Now he is bringing all the new issues like immigration, like Greenland, like Iran, like Venezuela. Just this is a stunt-bazi, like a
push and pull
actor, like a cinema actor.
He believes that the US administration is a business.
Is a business. So this reflects that the people like Trump can come to power. It is said that hundreds of good leaders, if dies, nation do not suffer. But nation suffers when a idiosyncratic leader like Trump comes to the power. So again I say that it is the America who will be more sufferer in the long run.